Alright, I'm going to start this Jaguar XJ6 4.2 litre 6-cylinder. It's got a broken drive plate. So let's see what interesting noises it makes today.
The dough and what happened in between. It's almost unimaginable.
That's not too bad at the moment. Hold it under there. Put it in gear. Yeah, not healthy. Hello viewers. I'm going to do a cold start on this Jaguar XJ6 Series 3. It has a broken drive plate, so it might not sound the best. Inside. It's not too bad this morning. A bit rattly still. Alright, let's get it out. Yeah, it didn't sound good. Well, I got the gearbox out and I helped a friend of mine. This is not the lightest things in the world. That's where the drive plate should go, up there. Not very good for camera shot. And down here on the ground are the drive plate. And my friend's just laughing at me because they almost tripped over the oil drainage track. As you can see on this drive plate, it's got some interesting cracks down it, which are making all the noise. That's why it's been replaced. It's making a horrible clattering noise. So the torque converter gets bolted into these bolts, and the crank goes onto those. So here's a nice new recode one. So we'll go ahead and fit this, and do a video of starting and driving, hopefully. Oh well, we got the gearbox back in, so let's see what happens when we turn the key. Anything horrible? Well, that sounds better than it did. Don't you see anything under here? It doesn't have that horrible clattering noise anymore. Thank you for watching. I thought I'd just do a better view of the drive plate, so you know exactly what it is. That's where the ring gear goes for the starter motor, and that's where it bolts the crank, and that's where the torque converter bolts go through. And as you can see, this one's just about detached. Massive crack through it. Flip it over, cleaned it up just a bit so I could see how bad it was. Yeah, it's crack all the way across here and down there. Another huge one across here. See that? It's pretty nasty. That would have been all the noise that was running, clattering around. Another huge one across here. Click. And one across there. So it's about to fly apart. It made a good noise.